everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This week, we're diving into the exciting world of open source AI projects on GitHub. We're going to be checking out some of the top trending repositories that are changing the game for developers and AI enthusiasts. From AI tools to advanced video editing and robotics, all of which are open source and available on GitHub. We will be covering several projects today, including projects for LLM observability, long-term memory for LLMs, AI video editing, and more. So grab your popcorn, and let's jump right in. Project number 1, Genesis, a universal and generative physics engine for robotics and beyond. We're diving into a really exciting project called Genesis, a universal and generative physics engine for robotics and beyond. This isn't just another physics simulator. It's a whole new approach to how we develop and train robots and AI. What makes Genesis so unique? Well, for starters, it's been rebuilt from the ground up as a universal physics engine capable of simulating a wide range of materials and physical phenomena. This means that Genesis can handle everything from rigid bodies to liquids, gases, deformable objects, and granular materials. It's also incredibly fast, clocking over 43 million FPS when simulating a robotic arm using a single RTX 4090, which is 430,000 times faster than real-time. Beyond speed, Genesis is also cross-platform, working natively across Linux, macOS, and Windows, and on different compute backends. It also integrates various physics solvers, such as rigid body, NPM, SPH, VM, PBD, and stable fluid into a single unified framework. But here's the real game changer. Genesis aims to be a generative data engine. This means it can transform natural language prompts into various forms of data, which is incredibly useful for training robots. Though this generative feature will be rolled out gradually, the current open source release includes the core physics engine and simulation platform. Overall, the project aims to lower the barrier to entry for robotics research by unifying physics solvers and minimizing human effort in data generation. They also welcome community contributions to improve Genesis. This project is definitely something to keep an eye on, and I'll put a link to their GitHub page in the description below.
Before we move to next, let's introduce HITEMS AI, your one-click product creation platform. Tired of struggling to bring your product ideas to life? Introducing HITEMS AI, the revolutionary platform that uses artificial intelligence to make product design and creation a breeze. But that's not all. In launching time of HITEMS AI, they are running a challenging event for everyone. So participate in this challenge event and create your unique product or item based upon event theme and get change to get free products. You have an amazing idea for a new product, or you want to make your own design, then just log in with your email ID and create your unique style. For example, firstly, go on homepage and then scroll down, where you see the first challenge, which is Keycap Lovers Assemble. Simply click on it and you'll get the challenge. After that, click on Join Now to participate in challenge, and then write a prompt whatever you want, and click on Design button. After one click, you can see the result is ready. When your design is ready, simply select one design which one you want post. After selecting, click on Next button. Now, type same prompt, and then click on Post button. Now you can check your design has been posted. That's HITEMS AI, your one-click solution for turning ideas into incredible products. Ready to experience the power of HITEMS AI for yourself? Head over to HITEMS AI page link in the description to start your free trial and unlock the future of product creation.
Project number 2, real-time high-quality video generation. We're diving into an exciting project in the AI space called LTX-Video. Real-time high-quality video generation. This isn't just another video generation model. It's a cutting-edge, real-time video generation tool that's pushing the boundaries of speed and quality. What makes LTX-Video truly unique? Well, it's the first DT-based model capable of generating high-quality videos at 24 FPS with a 768 by 512 resolution, and it does so faster than it would take to watch them. This model was trained using a massive dataset of diverse videos, which allows it to generate realistic and varied high-resolution content. You can think of it as a powerful tool that can create videos based on detailed, chronological descriptions of actions and scenes. LTX-Video is not only incredibly fast, but also very versatile and accessible. You can try it out instantly using the online demos available on HF Playground, Replicate, and Fal.ai. For those who prefer to run things locally, the codebase is compatible with Python 3.10.5, CUDA version 12.2, and PyTorch 2.12. The project supports both text-to-video and image-to-video generation, making it adaptable to different creative workflows. It also has integration options for ComfyUI and diffusers. In addition, the community has developed an optimized 8-bit version called LTX-Video Q8 for faster performance on NVIDIA 80A GPUs. The team at Lightricks encourages community contributions, so it's a great place to get involved if you are passionate about AI, computer vision, and video generation. Project number 3, ComfyUI Advanced Video Editing with Flow Edit. Let's dive into a fascinating project called ComfyUI-HunyuanLoom, a powerful tool for AI video editing. This isn't just another video editing software. It's a set of custom nodes for ComfyUI, specifically designed to harness the power of the Hunyuan video model for advanced video editing. What truly sets this project apart is its implementation of the flow edit technique, allowing you to make very specific changes to videos using both source and target prompts, and also its experimental support for regional prompting, which lets you apply prompts to specific areas of the video over time. The flow edit implementation is quite sophisticated and breaks the editing process down into 3 types of steps: skip steps, diff steps, and drift steps. Skip steps, at the beginning of the process, control how much the input video is allowed to change. Increasing the number of skip steps reduces the overall impact of sampling on the source video. Diff steps then compare the source and target prompts to make the minimal necessary changes to move towards the target. Although these steps have little effect on Hunyuan, they are important to seed the direction of the generation. Finally, drift steps refine the video by removing blur and can cause the biggest changes to the input video. These steps are similar to normal sampling steps. The experimental regional prompting feature allows for even more granular control, letting you apply different prompts to specific parts of the video and also change prompts over time. This project, licensed under GPL 3.0, is a great way to explore the cutting edge of AI-powered video editing. You can check out the project on GitHub, and we will add a link in the description. Project number 4, rememberall, a secure long-term memory solution for LLMs. We're checking out an innovative project called rememberall, a secure long-term memory solution for LLMs. This is not just another AI tool. It's a robust, open-source solution that provides long-term memory storage for your custom GPTs and other AI applications. What sets rememberall apart is its ability to enable your AI to remember details from past conversations, leading to much more context-aware interactions. You can unlock persistent memory simply by mentioning @rememberall in your custom GPT's system prompt, allowing the AI to seamlessly store and retrieve relevant information. For developers, rememberall offers a range of features that are designed for both flexibility and security. It's built with a privacy-first approach, allowing you to self-host your memory store. It employs a vector-based system for efficient semantic search, making it easy to find the information your AI needs. The system includes a straightforward REST API for easy integration, and it is open source, meaning you can customize and extend its functionality. Security is a priority with features like end-to-end encryption and fine-grained access control, ensuring your data is handled with care and with GDPR-compliant practices. You can store memories, load past context, and manage it all through an intuitive dashboard. The API provides endpoints for listing or searching memories with a GET request, and creating new memories with a POST request, using a bearer token for authentication. The project is mainly written in JavaScript. Okay, let's move to next project. Project number 5, ComfyUI's image juxtaposition for Flux in ComfyUI. We're diving into an exciting project called ComfyUI-Fluxtapoz, image juxtaposition for Flux in ComfyUI. This is not just another run-of-the-mill image editing tool. It's a collection of custom nodes for ComfyUI that are designed to harness the power of Flux for image manipulation. What makes ComfyUI-Fluxtapoz truly unique is its diverse range of nodes that implement various image editing techniques within the Flux framework. These include rectified flow inversion, RF inversion, RF edit, and flow edit, each offering a distinct approach to editing and transforming images. This allows for a great deal of flexibility and creative options when working with images. RF inversion lets you unsample images for editing or style transfer and is recommended as a good way to prepare images for editing. RF edit provides an alternative method for image editing, and it's recommended to try both methods to find the most suitable option for your needs. The project also features flow edit, which is an inversion-free technique for image editing. Moreover, ComfyUI-Fluxtapoz has nodes for regional prompting, which gives you the ability to prompt specific areas of an image, allowing for targeted edits. You can combine regional prompting with other techniques like Redux, though Redux can be so powerful that it may dominate the generation. Additionally, there are nodes for perturbed attention guidance, PAT, and smoothed energy guidance, SEG, that can be used to add detail to images. The project is available on GitHub under the GPL 3.0 license, and it is primarily written in Python. Project number 6, Opik, an open source LLM evaluation framework. We're diving into an awesome project called Opik, an open source LLM evaluation framework. This isn't just another tool for developers. It's a comprehensive platform for building, testing, and monitoring LLM applications, making them run better, faster, and cheaper. What makes Opik truly unique is its focus on providing tracing, evaluation, and dashboarding capabilities all in one place. This allows developers to gain deep insights into their LLM applications, optimize their performance, and identify issues quickly. Opik supports a variety of use cases, from RAG chatbots to code assistance and complex agentic pipelines. Opik offers a wide range of features. It allows you to track all LLM calls and traces during development and production. You can annotate your LLM calls by logging feedback scores, using the Python SDK, or the UI. The platform enables you to automate the evaluation process of your LLM applications by storing test cases and running experiments. Opik includes LLM as a judge metrics for complex issues like hallucination detection, moderation, and RAG evaluation. You can also integrate Opik into your CI/CD pipeline for continuous evaluation. Opik is designed to handle high volumes of traces, making it suitable for monitoring production applications. You can review feedback scores, trace counts, and token usage over time in the Opik dashboard. The platform supports several integrations, including OpenAI, LightLLM, LangChain, Haystack, and more. You can also use the track function decorator to log traces for custom functions. This project is open source and can be self-hosted using Docker Compose. The easiest way to get started is by creating a free Comet account. You can install the Python SDK using pip install Opik. Project number 7, GitHub Copilot for Xcode, an AI pair programmer. We're taking a look at an incredibly useful tool called GitHub Copilot for Xcode, an AI pair programmer. This isn't just another code editor. It's an Xcode extension powered by AI that's designed to help you write code faster and more efficiently. What makes GitHub Copilot for Xcode unique is its ability to provide inline coding suggestions as you type. This means you get real-time assistance with AI-powered suggestions appearing directly in your code editor, which can dramatically speed up the coding process. It's like having an AI pair programmer working right alongside you. This tool is packed with features to enhance your coding experience. It provides intelligent code completion, so you don't have to type out full lines of code, and it offers suggestions based on the context of your project. GitHub Copilot for Xcode requires macOS 12 Plus and Xcode 8 Plus. To use it, you will need a GitHub Copilot subscription. You can install the extension via Homebrew or by downloading the DMG file from the latest release. When you first run the application, you will need to grant accessibility permissions and manually enable the Xcode source editor extension. There are a few things that will help you get the most out of this tool. For example, it is recommended that you disable predictive code completion in Xcode settings. To accept a line of code suggestion, you can press the Tab key. If you want to see the full suggestion, you can hold down the Option key, and to accept the full suggestion, press Option plus Tab. This project is licensed under the MIT open source license, and the source code is available on GitHub. Project number 8, additional controls for LTX-Video model. We're diving into an exciting project called ComfyUI-LTXTricks, additional controls for LTX-Video model. This isn't just another set of tools. It's a collection of custom nodes for ComfyUI designed to give you additional control over the LTX-Video model. What makes ComfyUI-LTXTricks unique is its focus on implementing cutting-edge video editing techniques, including RF inversion, RF edit, flow edit, and image and video to video, I+V2V. These tools allow for advanced video manipulation, giving you the ability to perform tasks that go beyond typical video editing workflows. The project also includes methods for enhancing video and setting specific latents to frames for interpolation and other effects. The RF inversion implementation lets you explore semantic image inversion and editing. RF edit provides an implementation of RF solver edit, giving an alternative approach to editing. Flow edit provides an inversion-free text-based editing method that allows you to modify videos using text prompts. The I+V2V method allows you to perform video-to-video transformations while incorporating a reference image. The project also includes an implementation of a portion of spatiotemporal skip guidance, STG, for enhanced video diffusion sampling. You can use provided example workflows to quickly get started with these techniques. Additionally, the project includes nodes to set specific latents to frames, which enables interpolation and frame setting techniques. This project is available on GitHub under the GPL 3.0 license and is written in Python. Project number 9, Helicone, the LLM observability platform. We're exploring an amazing open source project called Helicone, the LLM observability platform. This isn't just another developer tool. It's a comprehensive platform designed to help you monitor, evaluate, and experiment with your large language models. What makes Helicone truly unique is that it is an all-in-one platform, offering observability, agent tracing, prompt management, evaluations, datasets, and fine-tuning capabilities, all in one place. This allows you to gain deep insights into how your LLMs are performing, optimize their behavior, and ensure they are working as expected. Helicone is also enterprise-ready and is SOC 2 and GDPR compliant. Helicone lets you integrate with multiple LLM providers using just one line of code. It supports platforms like OpenAI, Anthropic, LangChain, Gemini, Together AI, Llama Index, LightLM, and OpenRouter. You can observe and debug traces and sessions for agents, chatbots, and document processing pipelines. Helicone also helps you analyze metrics such as cost, latency, and quality, and you can export this data to PostHog for custom dashboards. You can also use the playground to rapidly test and iterate on prompts, sessions, and traces. The platform also offers features for prompt management, allowing you to version and experiment with prompts using production data. Helicone lets you automatically run evaluations on traces and sessions using platforms like LastMile or Ragas. Additionally, you can fine-tune your models with partners like OpenPipe or Autonomy. Helicone provides a gateway for caching, custom rate limits, and LLM security. The project has a generous monthly free tier, offering 100K requests per month without requiring a credit card. Helicone is open source and you can find it on GitHub. The link is in the description below. Project number 10, Official Xiaomi integration. Control your devices in Home Assistant. We're checking out an awesome project called Xiaomi Home Integration for Home Assistant, which is an official integration that allows you to bring your Xiaomi smart devices into your Home Assistant setup. What makes this integration unique is that it's officially supported by Xiaomi, ensuring compatibility and reliability. This means you can seamlessly control and monitor your Xiaomi IoT devices directly from your Home Assistant dashboard. The integration uses the MIOT Spec v2 protocol, which is a standard for Xiaomi devices, and it supports most categories of Xiaomi home devices, with the exception of Bluetooth, infrared, and virtual devices. The Xiaomi Home integration supports multiple Xiaomi accounts, allowing you to add devices from different accounts to the same area within Home Assistant. You can install the integration via Git clone, hacks, or manual installation. The integration implements an OAuth Auth 2.0 login process for security, which means your account password is not stored in Home Assistant. However, user information, including device details, certificates, and tokens, are saved in the Home Assistant configuration file in clear text, so it's important to keep your configuration secure. The integration supports both cloud control and local control. Local control is possible with a Xiaomi Central Hub gateway or devices with a built-in hub. There is also a Xiaomi LAN control function for IP devices on the same network as Home Assistant. This integration is available in multiple regions, including mainland China, Europe, India, Russia, Singapore, and the USA. The integration also supports multiple languages, so the user interface can be configured for different regions. And that wraps up part 1 of our exploration into this week's top trending open source projects. We covered a lot of ground today, from AI-powered video editing tools and LLM observability to a universal physics engine. Each of these projects is open source and represents the cutting edge of their field. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss part 2, where we will be looking at more open source projects. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.